Describe your first day at school that you remember. You should say where the school was, how you went there. What happened that day, and how you felt on that day allow me to take you on a journey down memory lane to a cherished moment from my past. The day that marked my very first step into the world of education. Picture this. A young, eager child filled with a mix of excitement and apprehension. That child was me, and the day was the beginning of my educational journey. My first day at school remains etched in my mind like a vivid painting. The school was nestled in the heart of our charming town, standing proudly with its grand entrance and vibrant surroundings. As I approached it, I felt a curious blend of emotions. The journey to school that day was filled with anticipation, my heart racing with every step I took. Accompanied by my parents, I embarked on this new adventure, a tiny backpack hanging from my shoulders. The path to school was lined with colorful flowers, each one seemingly cheering me on. The sun was shining brightly, casting its golden rays upon a world of possibilities that lay ahead. As I entered the school gates, my senses were overwhelmed by the bustling energy around me. The air was filled with the sound of children's laughter, and the courtyard was a playground of friendships waiting to be formed. In that moment, I was greeted by teachers with warm smiles and fellow students with curious eyes. The day unfolded with a series of introductions and ice-breaking activities. I remember a friendly teacher who made learning seem like an exciting adventure. And during the break, I made my very first friend, bonding over shared excitement and a newfound camaraderie. We explored the school grounds together, discovering hidden corners that seemed to hold secrets and stories of their own. Amidst the laughter, the discovery, and the joy of new friendships, a sense of belonging began to take root within me. It was as if the school itself was welcoming me into its embrace, assuring me that I was part of something greater, a community of learners eager to explore the world together. That day, my heart swelled with a mixture of emotions, the joy of new beginnings, the thrill of exploration, and the comfort of knowing that I was in the right place. It marked the start of a lifelong journey of growth, discovery, and education. In retrospect, that first day at school was a chapter in my life's book that I will forever hold dear. It taught me that stepping into the unknown can lead to the most beautiful of experiences, and that every beginning is a chance to learn, to grow, and to create lasting memories. Thank you.